Hey guys, welcome back to the STEM Girls, and it's your girl Alicia here, and this is actually the second part of the how to code video. So if you haven't checked the first part out, it's in the link below. Okay, so today we're going to be covering how to format the font of your web page. This is basically things like making it bold or italic, or just formatting the text in different ways to make your web page look a lot more interesting. So let's go straight into it then. And what I have here is just the basic code that you need for the web page. And what we're going to do is show you how to format the text. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is give you an example of how to bold the text. So with bold, it's really easy. You just use the B tag, and with bold, obviously you know it's for emphasis. So what we can do here is just make up a random sentence like, she emphasized, I'm being really creative here, how important the deadline was. I don't know what I'm saying, it's just a random sentence. I don't know who she is or why the deadline was important, but let's just go with it. So you just add a B tag and then you close the B tag, and let's save our document and refresh our page in Chrome. Oops, and can you see the rookie mistake I've made here? This needs to be in a paragraph, so let's just quickly add the paragraph tag here. File, save and refresh, and it looks a lot more neater now, and you can see how emphasized is in bold. Okay, so next I'm going to show you how to do italics, and that is with the I tag. And again, really easy. I'm going to add the paragraph tag at the start this time so I don't forget. So you can do like, how dare you eat my chocolate cake? And this is something that I say on a daily basis in my house. I mean, chocolate cake would not last. So you just add the I tag here on the word that you need to turn into italic, or it could be a phrase. And remember to close the tag. File, save, and let's refresh the page, and we can see our dare in italics. Let's go on to the next thing, underline. And you would use the U tag for this. So I'm just thinking of a sentence to where you would need an underline. She ran out of the house. Yep, let's just, I don't know what you would need to underline. We could do just the whole sentence really. And oh, remember to add paragraph tag, and now close the tag, and let's close this paragraph tag as well. File, save, refresh, and it's all underlined. Next I'm going to show you how to do superscript. Now you don't really need, I don't think superscript is ever actually used in normal writing, is it? I don't know, to be honest. I've never encountered it, so it's usually used for maths, and with the superscript you just use the sub tag. So this could be something like 5 to the power of 3, so we would use the sub 3, and let's close our tag. It's really important, and I don't know why I was writing sub. And let's put it all in a paragraph because we just want it to stand out. And file, save, refresh our page, and now we have a beautiful superscript. And with subscript, the sub tag. And again, I don't know when you would use a subscript other than in math. So let's do x sub, oops, to the 5. Let's close our sub tag, and let's also close our paragraph tag. File, save, refresh, and it's beautiful work. And this is good for if you have a maths page, to be honest. And next I'm going to show you how to do the deleted text, and that's with the del tag. So I would reckon you would use the deleted text if you like write your name wrong or something and you just want to add it for emphasis. So I've just changed my name to Arisha, and then we use our deleted tag, so it's just del, close tag, and let's see what we get. And remember to put, and I'm just going to put paragraphs on it just so you can see it clearly. File, save, refresh, and voila. Now what I'm going to show you next is the HR tag, and the HR tag does not have a closing tag, it's just the HR tag by itself. And this is actually very useful if, for instance, paragraphs aren't well enough. So basically what the HR tag does is separates your web page into sections. So if we do file, save, refresh, you can get a better understanding of what I'm on about. It's this line through your web page, so it's split into like 2 sections, or you could do even more sections. That's basically the basis of how you can format your text. Obviously there's more ways to format your text, and you can easily find that on Google, and the way you do it, the procedure is basically the same. You just do an opening tag and a closing tag, and whatever you need to format, the text you need to format, it's in between. So it's easy enough. I'm sure you guys can handle formatting your text from here. There's no point of me going through each and every one. I think that is enough for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate the love. Make sure to comment, subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.